In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter in an email. Whether you're sharing your latest updates with subscribers or crafting a special announcement, this guide will make the process seamless. Let's dive into it. First up, let's open your Canva design. Once you've got your newsletter layout just the way you like it, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for sharing your design. From that menu, go ahead and click on Download. It's crucial here to select the correct file type. For email purposes, we want our design in a PNG format, which preserves the quality and ensures compatibility with most email platforms. After choosing the PNG format, click the Download button. Your file will save to your device, ready to be sent out. Now, there's another route we'll take, sharing your design through a link. Head back to the Share button and click it again. This time, look for the option that says Public View Link. Select it and then click on Create Public View Link. This generates a unique URL that makes your design accessible to others. Once the link is created, be sure to click Copy to store it in your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste into your email later. With your design download and link handy, it's time to move over to Gmail to send your newsletter. Open your Gmail account and click on Compose to start drafting your email. Enter the recipient's email address and choose an engaging subject line that will grab their attention. Once that's taken care of, we'll begin customizing the body of your email. To insert the PNG image you downloaded, click on the Insert Photo icon in the email toolbar, then proceed to select Upload, followed by Browse. Navigate to the location where your downloaded PNG file is stored and select it. This step places the image directly within the email body, offering a visually appealing touch for your readers. Now let's incorporate the link to your Canva design. Click on the Insert Link icon within the email composition window. In the field that appears, paste the public view link you previously copied from Canva. This allows recipients to click and view your design directly through the link in the email. Finally, after pasting the link, click Apply to ensure it's properly set. Give your email a quick review to ensure everything looks polished and complete. And there you have it, you're all set to send out your Canva newsletter. Just hit send when you're satisfied. By following these steps, you're using Canva and your email platform to create a visually stunning and fully functional newsletter. Your recipients will be impressed, and you'll have delivered your content in style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.